We're here to review MagTame's O-Mag cable. These are two different ones of the O-Mag cable lines. One of them is, the differences would be that they come and they're available in different colors and different lengths. This is US patented, it's Tangle-free, and it's the world's first clutter-free cable. So we'll open up the first one. This is the larger, and on the front it shows you the different colors that are available. So these are magnetic. You can stick them to metal office tables that you have, or desks, your refrigerator, and they'll stay there. They also are magnetic to itself, so you can coil them nicely and then lay them on your desk or wherever. I think it looks much more tidy that way. This is well made, feels very durable, feels like it's got some kind of a cord, like the parachute cord or something wrapped around it. This is available with different connectors on the ends. So if you look on the back, it does USB to lightning cable, USB to the C cable, and then the C cable to lightning, and C to C. The only thing that I didn't see available was a lightning cable to a lightning cable for two different Apple products. Otherwise, it looks like everything that you would need for today's devices would be compatible with this. Again, black, silver, blue, 1 meter, 1.5 meter, and 2 meters. Thank you for watching our review. There'll be a link available below if you're interested in purchasing. Have a great day. Bye.